Xiaomi's Redmi Note 14 Pro Max comes with some new features that makes it an impressive device on the market today. This phone is packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. With dual displays, powerful cameras, and a massive battery, it's definitely a smartphone you'll want to keep an eye on. So, let's jump right into the features of the phone. First up, let's talk about the dual display design. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max doesn't just have one, but two screens. The main display boasts a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support, giving you vibrant visuals and a buttery smooth experience, perfect for gaming and streaming. On the back, you'll find a unique, smaller 2-inch AMOLED screen right next to the camera cutout. This secondary display is not just for show. You can touch and scroll on it, making it an extra mini screen that can be incredibly handy for quick notifications, selfies, and more. Now, let's talk cameras. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max sports an impressive camera setup. On the rear, it features an 18 megapixels primary camera along with an 8 megapixels secondary lens, and two additional sensors for that enhanced photography experience. And that's not all. It also comes with a massive LED flash, so bright it could easily double as a torch in the dark. This powerful flash will make nighttime shots clearer and brighter than ever before. Moving on to the battery. This smartphone is equipped with a 7100 mAh powerhouse, ensuring you won't have to worry about running out of juice during the day. Recent models have already set a new benchmark with over 6000 mAh batteries, so this one is designed to keep you powered up longer than ever. In terms of build and customization, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max offers a ton of options to suit your style. You get a range of colors to choose from, and the sound experience is elevated by dual stereo speakers and a noise-canceling microphone for crystal clear calls and audio. You'll also find all the essentials here, like a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and an IR blaster. And finally, let's get into memory and storage. The phone comes with RAM options ranging from 6GB to a whopping 24GB for top-tier performance. Storage options are also generous, with configurations starting from 128GB and going all the way up to 512GB, and, if the rumors are true, possibly even a 1TB variant. No matter your needs, this phone has something for everyone. So there you have it. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max is packed with top-of-the-line features that cater to gamers, photographers, and multitaskers alike. It's the perfect all-around device with its dual displays, powerful camera setup, huge battery, and customizable options. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.